Welcome back to Arcade Kaiju and Box Opening with Lily. So today we have the MANGA SPICE Cafe. This is actually the first time I've ever gotten this box, so I'm really excited. Apparently she tells you what one of the manga is going to be, and you get up to 3 in each box, and you get Japanese snacks with it. So let's see. Oh, let's kind of turn that around. So it looks like you get a pretty little pamphlet when you get this one. It is super adorable. Look at that. Oh, so cute. We'll put that aside and look at it in a second. We'll lift up the veil and ooh, all right. So right off the back, we got Ghost Reaper Girl. Very nice. It's wrapped in a nice little plastic thing, so that's really cute. And of course, all the mangas are first edition, which is really, really nice. Has a really cute little Halloween-ish back. Super cute. I have not read this one yet, but I will read it and I will leave a review in the comments below of what I thought about it. All right, next we got the Big Roll. It's basically a grilled seaweed roll in a packet. They are amazing. I used to eat them all the time when I was in Japan and I could find them. You can also find these in some stores here in America, which is nice. So that's exciting. This one is a shrimp flavor. I have not tried the shrimp flavor. I don't know if I am bold enough to try the shrimp flavor, but you know, we'll see if we get wild. All right, next it looks like a bag of Lay's Truffles. Very interesting. I've never really had truffles, so this one is also a brand new one for me. So I'm excited to see what potato chip truffles taste like. It looks like it's just regular Lay chips with truffle seasoning on top, so can't possibly that bad. All right. Ooh, getting the fall season with some pumpkin crisp. Oh, that sounds really, really good. It says pumpkin crisp puff food. Yeah, I like the little bag too. It's really, really cute. Like a cute little chocolate little Halloween hat. Look at them. They're so adorable. Alright. We got a cute little Halloween bag with a little kitty cat. Oh, I love Halloween. Oh, inside's an even tinier bag with the most cutest artwork. Give me 1 second, we'll open it up and take a look at it. Looks like we got a clear lollipop. There's a strawberry down at the bottom, so it might be strawberry flavored. A little tiny pumpkin head that says foil. Not quite sure what that is. We'll have to experiment. And then some sort of hard candy. It looks like it might be a surprise inside. And it's got the most cute little bat on it. Look at him. He's so cute. Oh goodness, there's even more in here. Oh. We have a Kit Kat called the Talking Hand. Very, very cute. It doesn't say what flavor it is. It's one of those times you kind of wish you could read Japanese. A nice little tiny strawberry cream candy. It looks to be really soft. I do love gummies, so I'm really excited about that one. And the last one just says Happy Halloween with a little ghost holding an apple. It feels a little chewable, kind of like almost like a Tootsie Roll. So we'll have to open up and figure out what that one is. The next one is a black garlic oil ramen. Look at that, and they even give you little chopsticks to eat it with. So another item that I have not had, but I will definitely give it a try and let you guys know what I think down in the reviews. And it looks like the last snack that we get in the box is actually a cute little juice box, called Black Currant Juice Drink. It looks like it will be a grape juice. So, looks like I am all ready to read. Alright, so the next two mangas, they're actually wrapped in a single pack, so I was kind of hoping they all would be individually wrapped like that. Alright, Kimo Jinin, and I probably butchered that, and if I did, I deeply apologize. So this was the one that was actually advertised for this month. It looked really interesting. So I'll give it a try and read it. It says, in a quiet rural village, livestock has been dying off in a strange manner. A detective of the cult is summoned from Tokyo to solve the mystery. He meets a boy scorned by the villagers who call him Dorotabo after a yoki that dwells in the muddy fields. Alright. And then the last manga we got is Momo. I like Momo. Momo's a cute little story. So I'm excited to cuddle up and read all three. Like I said, they're all first editions, which is extremely nice. So you get 3 random mangas. And like I said, if you get to know what one is, you get Japanese snacks. So what can go wrong? Alright, so let's take a quick look at that pamphlet that she provided. Alright. It looks like she goes into the manga artists of each manga that you receive, and just a little backstory about how they got started, and also lets you know when volume 2 will be released. Nice. And then on the back, it looks like she talks a little bit about the artwork from the main manga in this batch, along with the candy. So we have a little bit more understanding what's in this pack. Okay, so it turns out that this black currant juice is from Hong Kong, and that's actually what the berry's called, is black currant. So she doesn't quite say what that tastes like, but we'll just have to find out, which is pretty cool. And then last but not least is the back. And very, very kindly, she has put in the English translation of the ingredients. So if you have any allergies, she has been nice enough to put the translation on the back for you. All right. That is exciting. So once again, this is Manga Spice Cafe. It looks like the next month, the spoiler alert. So if you want to know what next month is, hang about just a few minutes after I do the exit, and I'll tell you what it is. All right, so that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you for tuning in to Arcade Kaiju. And if you stuck around, the spoiler alert for next month's box